Day 60 of 100. Let's get right to it. Thank you, Yahweh, for blessing us with another day. A healthy mind, body, and soul. I'm forever grateful. Amen. Working on abs and arms today. Continue to stay consistent. Don't worry about no numbers. Don't worry about no attention. Consistency is key. The reverse mountain climbers. Another great ab workout. Feel the burn. Hitting it with them diamond to regular push-ups. Great arm workout. Great chest workout. Trust the process and don't compare yourself to anyone else. Never chase, only attract. Continue to make progress every day. Allow yourself to take risks and implement new things to make life more exciting. Be grateful for the time you have and don't take it for granted. Don't be in a rush. Take your time. Show love to all walks of life. Everything is alive. Everything is conscious. Only focus on things you can control. Discipline over distractions. Master your mind. Not a soul on this planet is perfect. Acknowledge your mistakes and grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.